director, vice principal, teachers, and my co-learners of Radiant Angel High School. My name is Otnel Igwe, and here with me are Okoro Chukwuemeka, Mmadile Divine, Chukwu Divine Favor, and Onyeke Prince. Today, we stand before you to speak on a timeless habit that has shaped the life of many successful individuals. A simple habit that can transform our lives profoundly: early rising. Imagine greeting the dawn, a time when the world is just beginning to stir and the first rays of sunlight pierce the horizon. This is the time early risers cherish, for it is filled with peace, tranquility, and a promise of a new beginning. This means that when we rise with the sun, we are greeted by the tranquil silence of the morning, a time when the world is yet to awaken to its hustle and bustle. This serenity is a gift, allowing us to start our day with the clarity of peace. It is in this early morning that we can find the peace to cultivate mindfulness, to plan our day, and to set intentions that can lead to a purposeful living. The benefits of early rising are good. My co-learners here are going to speak on some of them.
Benefits of early rising are: 1. It affords one the luxury of time. Rising up early before the rest of the world wakes up and provides a golden opportunity for you to plan your day ahead. Set goals, practice them, and avoid distractions that comes later in the day.
Early rising is synonymous with improved health. It aligns our body's internal clock with the natural rhythm of the day, thereby promoting better sleep patterns and boosting overall energy levels. The early morning is a perfect time for exercise, which invigorates the body and sharpens the mind. It is a time to read, to meditate, and to simply contemplate life wonders away from the cacophony of daily life. Thanks.
3. Increase productivity. Waking up early allows you to start your day with a fresh mind and fewer distractions. This often allows you to enhance your productivity because you can focus on your work without any distraction or interruption. 4. Time for exercise and self-care. Early risers often have the advantage to allocate time for exercise, meditation, and other self-care activities before the demand of the day begins. This contributes to the mental and the physical well-being of an individual. Lastly, early risers often have the advantage to have an improved mental health. Establishing a morning routine can actually help you to reduce stress level and promote a sense of calmness and control over the day ahead. Early rising can help you to maintain early rising can help you to promote your physical well-being, your mental well-being, and your overall well-being. Thank you.
Early has long been touted as a key to success. But what happens when you hit the snooze button instead? Neglecting to start your day early can have far-reaching consequences to your productivity, mental and physical health, and your overall well-being. Sleeping in can lead to a chaotic morning routine, leaving you rushing to get ready and tackle the day's tasks. This can result in missed deadlines, poor time management, and reduced efficiency. A late start can impact your mental and physical health, leading to increased stress levels, decreased energy and motivation, and poor eating habits and exercise routines. Rising early has also been linked to increased success and goal achievements. By sleeping in, you may be hindering your ability to set and achieve goals, develop a growth mindset, and cultivate a sense of purpose. Don't let sleeping in hold you back. Make the most of a day by rising early and setting yourself up for success. Thank you.
Thank you for the right gift of attention. May we all embrace the beauty of early mornings. May we all become early risers and enjoy from the myriad benefits that is bringing. Have a wonderful day.
What should our beloved viewers do right now?
We should just do something simple. Just to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all they need to do.